Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh and this is my second tutorial on OS development. In this tutorial, I am going to explain the XCode. XCode is the integrated development environment for Mac operating system that allows developer to create software for Mac operating system, iPhone operating system, iPad operating system, Apple Watch and Apple TV. If you are a beginner looking to get started with the XCode, here are some steps to help you. First of all, you need to install XCode from Mac App Store, or you can download it from developer.apple.com. Then second step is to create an app ID. This is an advanced step, so we can skip it for now. Now launch XCode. So I have latest XCode 15 installed on my system. Then you have to launch an XCode and let's create a project. So first of all, click on create a new project, select iOS operating system, application. Then let's create my first program. Okay. My first project is created. We can add maybe a button on a project, this one. Okay, let's go back. Okay, your first project is created. Now you can understand the interface builder. This is the interface builder, right? Then coding in Swift, which I will explain in upcoming tutorials. Then build your first project. You can select on that you can directly run your project using this run button, or you can simply command B build on your keyboard. It's built successfully. Let's run it on simulator. I will explain simulator in my coming series. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now our project is built and run successfully. We discussed about interface builder a bit. We tested our application in simulator. Thanks. Happy learning.